Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles Arvake YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix iOS 15 not downloading and not installing on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video and how to download and install iOS 15 on any iPhone supported devices, iPhone 6s to iPhone 12 Pro Max. Without wasting any time, let's start. Firstly, open this settings app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on VPN and device management, tap on iOS 15 beta profile remove, tap on remove, enter your passcode to remove, tap on remove. You can see appears on screen restart required, please restart your iPhone to apply changes. Tap on not now, go back to home and try again. If solution number 1 is not working, now go to solution number 2. Solution number 2 is reset all settings. To confirm, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter iPhone passcode. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings, tap on reset all settings. Are you sure you want to continue? This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check date and time. Tap on settings app, tap on general, tap on date and time. You can see appears on screen my date and time zone is set automatically. If you are not set automatically, toggle turn it on, connect the internet, go back to home. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying solution number 4. Change the website, open beta.apple.com. You can see appears on screen Apple beta software programs coming soon. Tap on sign in, enter your Apple ID, tap on continue, enter your Apple ID password, tap on continue. You can see appears on screen two-factor authentication code. Enter two-factor authentication code, tap on trust, it will take 5 to 10 seconds wait to loading the page. You can see appears on screen, select your device, iPad OS, iOS, Mac OS, tvOS. I'm using iOS. Scroll up, you can see enroll your device, tap on it, it will take some seconds to wait. You can see appears on screen download profile, tap on download profile, tap on close, go back to home, open the settings app, open profile download, tap on install, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on install, tap on again install, tap on not now, tap on done, go back, tap on update. You can see appears on screen check for update. You can see appears on screen not showing update. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings and erase all contents and try again. Tap on settings app, tap on general, tap on reset, tap on erase all contents, apps and data securely erase, tap on Securely erase, tap on erase iPhone. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iOS 15 not downloading and installing on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.